Hi. Right, I'm Jamo from Xcase, www.xcase.co.uk. Today I'm going to look at the latest version of one of our rack mount chassis. This one is the RM206 and it's version 3. So we're in December 2010. If you're ordering around about now or afterwards, this is the version you're going to get. Now, it's greatly improved, much easier to work with, much stronger, and we've added some nice features. So, first of all, version 3, as in version 2, comes with two 5.25 bays. We used to have metal grills across here which you had to wobble out, which was a bit of a pain in the... But now, what we've done, we've got these looky-likey optical covers. These are very strong and very secure, but you can just bend them and pull them out. Saves a lot of time messing around trying to get metal plates out. The front of the chassis, as in its sister case, the 204 Short, has this X front panel, and we've got a touch button, power switch, reset switch, and then we've got lights for hard drive activity, power, LAN, and a warning. Two front USB now come as standard. Now, to make it easier to fit a CD-ROM, rather than messing around with a lot of screws, we've come up with this nice little design here. You've got this lever that you pull out. You find yourself an optical device. In the box of bits, you find one of these. It's just a little bracket with some prongs sticking out of it. You fit that to the right hand side of the CD-ROM. Now this may or may not work one-handed. Oh, it does. That just then clicks into place. You push your lever forward and it's totally solid. So there you go. Fitting an optical in seconds, and one-handed. So we've now dramatically increased the density and strength of the hard drive bays. So we've got a front one here for 3 drives, and a second rear one for another 3 drives. Behind the rear one, you may be able to see that there's a 60mm fan. We've still got 4 central 80mm fans, but these are now easy to remove with this little clip here, which you just press down and the fan just comes out. No screws. The case, as before, will take a micro ATX, standard ATX, or even ITX motherboard. The power supply, as before, goes at the front. Have a fly lead that goes to the rear. So your power goes in here, and the fly lead takes it to the front where you put your PSU. Little word of warning, you need a PSU with 80mm fans, not one of these with a 120mm fan, because that's just going to blow air against the lid. We've tidied up the fly lead with a little bracket here to hold it in place. And the whole chassis itself, every part of it is much stronger than before. Now, I've never liked to compare our chassis as such because they are cheaper with Supermicro or Shenbro. But I am now going to say this is better than both. Now, comes the standard with these 7 low profile rear brackets. This plate here, we do an option to change it completely. You just unscrew it, and then we've got one with 3 horizontal slots, so you can put a card in, full height card, but you will need to use a riser also. The case has been reduced in price, $79 excluding the VAT, but that now includes a rail kit, as most companies charge £30 for the rail kit. It really does make this a sensible choice. So there we have it, version 3 of the X-Case RM206. I'll just mention that it's 550mm deep. It's stronger, it's easier to use, and it's better value for money. That's it. Thanks for listening. Bye for now.